In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change the email address linked to your NFL Sunday Ticket account. Since NFL Sunday Ticket is managed through YouTube and Google, your email is tied to your Google account. Open a browser and go to myaccount.google.com or launch your Google browser and click on the profile icon. Click on the option Manage your Google account. Log in with the Google account currently connected to your NFL Sunday Ticket subscription. Now head over to the option Personal Info. Click on the option Contact Info and then click on the option Email. Add a recovery email or change your primary Google account email if eligible. After updating your Google account, open the YouTube app or go to youtube.com/paid_memberships. This page shows your NFL Sunday Ticket subscription. Confirm that the updated email now appears on your subscription. If you want to fully transfer NFL Sunday Ticket to a different email, you'll need to cancel your current subscription and then resubscribe using the new Google account. That's the only way to move it completely. And that's it. That's how you change or update the email address for NFL Sunday Ticket. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.